A brightly lit and spacious manufacturing facility. The camera zooms in on a sleek stainless steel machine gleaming under the lights. Introducing the latest innovation in beverage packaging technology, the stainless steel juice pouch packing machine. Crafted entirely from high-grade 304 stainless steel, this machine is built to last, ensuring durability and hygiene for your production needs. With its user-friendly interface, operation is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the industry, you'll be up and running in no time. One machine, endless possibilities. From water to juice, jelly to smoothies, this machine fills them all. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple machines and hello to efficiency and convenience. And the best part? Despite its premium quality, this machine comes at an affordable price, making it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Customer 1. This machine has revolutionized our production process. It's efficient, easy to use, and delivers consistent results every time. Customer 2. We've tried other machines in the past, but nothing compares to the quality and affordability of this one. It's a game changer for our business. Upgrade your beverage packaging process today with the stainless steel juice pouch packing machine. Contact us now to learn more.